Hi everyone, today I'm going to review and unbox the latest JF EGWO versatile jump starter. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, 3 days ago I feel scammed by the AAA membership battery replacement program. I have the premier AAA membership and it says I've been a member since 1998. According to the premier membership, if you look at their PDF, guess what? It says, oh, every year you actually qualify for one battery replacement. But when I talked to them, guess what happened? They said, sir, please look at the fine prints. Basically, they had all kinds of clauses that will prevent them from giving you their free battery. So you are being charged, but the thing is, you have to do certain things that qualify you for it. So it's not just a free battery program. But anyway, what happened? My Jaguar XJR battery is completely dead. I called AAA, right? And then, hey, I have the premier membership. Am I qualified for the free battery replacement program? And the first lady who I talked to on the phone said, yeah, you are, because you're a premier member. And guess what? The AAA guy came and did a test on my Jaguar battery. It was 3 days ago, and then he saw the battery condition. Oh, it is bad and it has to be replaced, right? I mean, he was able to jump start it, but the thing is, it would die again. So anyway, now I have a dead Jaguar. You know, there is no activity at all. Come here, Brenda. My daughter is here to help me today. So the thing is about that car, there is no light, there is no life, and nothing is. I'm gonna go ahead and start it. Nothing, right? So I'm like, this is terrible. The thing about the Jaguar, one is dead, the battery is dead. You can't do anything about it. You'll be stuck on the road. So I got the latest JF EGWO 3000. If you watch my previous review, I had the 2000 version. That was pretty good, but now JF EGWO made the 3000 version that's a lot stronger. And my Jaguar battery is totally dead. So good thing about the Jaguar, the trunk is not controlled by electronics, so we can still operate and release the trunk using a key. So let's open it right there. So that's where the battery is, in the back. So anyway, okay, let's unbox this. Come here, Brenna. The cool thing about this stronger unit, according to JF EGWO, we'll be able to deal with this kind of problem. So they sent this to me, okay? This is the latest one that they have. Is the 3000 model, and it has like different accessories, and we'll go through it. It has the main unit, the jump started cable, the what do you call that, tire inflator cable, and all the adapters. You can use it for bicycle apparently, and bike, and a car battery recharger, AC wall recharger, and a bag. So anyway, it has a thank you for getting JF EGWO. So this JF EGWO sent me this, and they said, yeah, they can solve this problem using their latest unit, which is the unit 3000A. It is supposed to be a very powerful one, 3000 amp. It will wake a dead battery up. So we're gonna put this to the test today on my Jag. Okay, it's totally dead now. There is no life at all. It's dead. Like we're gonna shock somebody with a shocker to bring them to life. So yeah, it has the main compressor and jump start unit right here. So and it comes with a bag right here. So thank you, JF EGWO, for sending me this. Hopefully we can fix my Jaguar battery issue and bring it back to life. Right now it's totally dead. I'm so frustrated. I mean, I'm paying like a lot of money to AAA, okay, every year. I think like $168, 58, I don't know, whatever. Go to their website, and the thing is, they promise you a lot of things, AAA, but hey, pay some more, and usually they honor it. I mean, AAA was a very great organization a while back. Apparently something changed in their organization, so some things you have to watch out for. They are conditioned, tack into it. Read the fine prints now, okay? Even their towing service, be careful. So I don't think I'm gonna continue their membership next year. I'm gonna look something else. But anyway, to make long story short, look at this. This is the jump start cable, which we're gonna need in the bag. AC wall recharger. Let me see. Oh, look at this. It's like Christmas. Cigarette car adapter. Tire inflator adapter. And car battery terminal, what do you call that? Brush, steel brush. So if there's corrosion, you can brush it with this. And that's it. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and grab the car battery recharger cable here. So we're gonna plug it in, and I'll show you when I come back. Hi everyone, this kind of device is something you should have in your car. The thing is, you can always find help anywhere else, okay? Let's say you got stuck somewhere in the winter time and your car battery is dead, like my Jaguar, and you're stuck and there's no one to jump start you. So this thing will save your life. So anyway, we're gonna plug this cable right here. There is a cover right here, and you just plug it in like that. Oh, I forgot to mention, the cool thing about this unit, it can actually use as a emergency device. It has this super bright LED flashlight like this. Look at that. So you can use it at night to flag, like, you know, passerby, you know, to tell them, hey, I'm in an emergency situation here, buddy. So, and you can even use it at night, you know, to look for stuff. And another thing that's really cool about this, let's say you have a phone that is dead, you can actually put your USB recharger right here and connect it to your phone, and it has two USB ports. So it's really cool. Not only you can use this to jumpstart your car, to inflate your tires, you can also use it as a flashlight as well as phone recharger or a laptop recharger, okay? You can use this to recharge your laptop or phone, okay? So cool. Right now, the power is at 100%, so let's put it to the test to this Jaguar battery, okay? Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Okay, let's start the car. Oh, look, the light is on. That means we get some power. That is so cool. Okay, we'll see if the JF EGWO 3000 amp can start this dead Jaguar. I can't believe it. You know what I'm saying? It's alive again. The thing is, when the car is alive like this, don't turn it off yet. The thing is, the battery is still recharging. The alternator is still recharging. So just let it run for a couple minutes. But look at this thing. It just bring my Jaguar, you know, the dead Jaguar, back to life, and it's amazing. Anyway, JF EGWO, I just want to say thank you very much for sending me this unit. I was so stressed out and I was so angry, but now you guys just helped me out today. Anyway, guys, again, make sure if you own a car, buy this, okay? Buy this unit from JF EGWO. I mean, it's amazing, little tiny thing. Look at this, 3000 amp for this tiny little box, and that has so much power. So yeah, and another thing about it, I'm gonna show it to you. You know how you can inflate your tire. Anyway, I'll be back. Hi everyone. Not only the JF EGWO was able to bring my dead Jaguar to life, this unit has a tire inflator. Have you had the flat tire where you have to go to a gas station and then you realize you don't have any coins, and those like tire inflator at the gas station can be very expensive. Sometimes they charge you like 25 cents all the way to $1 to $2, right? Per you know, what, 10-15 minutes. So anyway, the cool thing about this tiny unit, it has this tiny tire inflator. Look at this. I'm gonna connect it to the tire inflator. You just have to connect it like that, and then connect it to your air valve. Press it, lock it, and then turn it on. Hold on. Let's turn it on right here. Oh, actually, it has the tire gauge, what do you call it, unit. So we can, what happened is you need to press the power button on to get the, you know, to engage the unit. Then you press the tire inflator, what do you call it, on and off button. There you go. And it's pretty fast, okay? This is pretty fast, so I'm gonna put it at, what do you call it, Jaguar recommendation is at 35 on this tire. So look at this. Look how fast it is. That's it. So that's all there is to it. Yeah, this is like amazing product, and you cannot go around without the JF EGWO unit. This is like a lifesaver, you know. Whenever you have a car, you need to buy one of this. So anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. Make sure you click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I put the link in the bottom of this video where you can buy it. Okay, so anyway, love you guys.